say I'm Tracey, and you say I'm Charlotte.
Okay.
We are the Blue Tits.
It was kind of like every time the temperature went down a degree, it was another thrill.
Other people would say, what are you doing? Oh, we're going in. Oh, you're going in a swimsuit? Yeah, we're going in a swimsuit. Come and join us, come and join us. People come from all around the world to do this, chill swimming. But we just do it because we can.
Some swim winter, some swim summer, you know, some swim all through the year.
And coffee
and cake is a must.
Prosecco. Try and encourage people to just swim, and there's nothing better than a bunch of batty old birds, really, I think, that go, go on, get in, woo!
We can swim here and we can pack our bag up and walk along the coast path to the next beach, have a dip, and do the same to the next beach and to the next beach.
Pembrokeshire is just safe. You've got your blue flag beaches if that's what makes you happy, or you've got your very secluded coves that you can get to, park, walk, scramble down to, whatever.
It's a bit wild going swimming in the big open water, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's just you, little old you out there,
Yeah.
your buddies.
It's very, very lovely.
Yeah,
It's just a great place to be.
Nothing better.